Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm cleaning my garden up. Tomatoes, peppers, gungo peas. I've been picking. These are the ghost peppers. I'm sorry, these are Carolina Reaper. And these are tomatoes. All these tomatoes, no good. Peppers, Carolina Reaper. They have a little bug that's going in them. Also, I found out that slugs eats them up too. So I cut down what I can cut down, and I have to go through all of them and pick out the good ones. Winter's coming, getting rid of everything. Winterizing all the peppers I can winterize. These are tomato vines cut down. These are the yellow tomatoes. I picked off all the Scotch bonnet. This is what I'm talking about. When they get young, they have these bugs that goes in them and they eat the seeds for some reason. So I got rid of ghost peppers, jalapeno, and the cayenne. The only thing left is those we call bird peppers or Tabasco peppers. This healthy tree right here is another Carolina Reaper. This is peppers I pulled up. I'm gonna winterize this one too. Winterize this one, and I have some more over there. Chickens are having a hell of a day eating these. There's a whole pile in there. They eat it down to that. They love the leaves. Also gave them some cut up kale and cut up collard greens. See, I can't have the chickens outside because the grass is getting brown for the winter. So I have to give them something, keep them healthy. Look over here. This tree is loaded. Also, with the chocha, aka chayote, I got damn squirrel eating them. But I'm gonna pick off what I can pick off today. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys on the next one.